Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some really simple and inexpensive Mother's Day gift ideas using these really pretty flower tea light candle holders that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. For my silver candle holders, I used 2 of these glass bottles, 1 package of these small round tea light candle holders, 2 flower candle holders, as well as these gemstone stickers, some of this full shred that you can find in the party section of Dollar Tree, as well as my E6000. I have the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the caps from my glass bottles, and I filled the bottles with the full shreds. I used 1 package to fill both bottles. If you decide to recreate this project, you can add a number of things to the bottles, including some gemstones. You can spray paint the outside of the bottle, or you can add Mod Podge and glitter to the inside. The possibilities are endless. I really like the shine of the full shreds. They also don't add any additional weight to the bottle. Once I added all of my shreds, I used my E6000 to attach one of the small candle holders right on top of the bottle. I then flipped my design over, and then I used that same E6000 to attach the bottle top to the other side. Next, I glued my Flower Tealight Candle holder on top of my bottle cap. I decided to bling out my candle holder by adding the gemstone stickers. Here you see me adding just a bit of the E6000. These stickers are self-adhesive, but they don't stick well over time to glass. So the E6000 will help keep the gemstones in place. To complete the project, I added some additional gemstone stickers around the center of the bottle, to the bottle cap, and a few individual pieces on the Flower Tealight Candle holder, and that's it. Just that simple, and these turned out beautiful. For my gold candle holders, I again used 2 of the Flower Tealight Candle holders, some of these long stem tea light candle holders, some liquid leaf that I purchased online at JoAnns.com, a sponge brush, and my E6000. This one is by far the easier of the 3 projects. I simply used my E6000 to attach the flower candle holder to the top of the long stem tea light candle holder, and I allowed that to dry overnight. The following day, I used my sponge brush to apply my liquid leaf. I intentionally did not add a solid layer. I just added a bit of the paint here or there to give my design a unique look. I also made sure not to add any of the paint to the center of my Flower Tealight candle holder, just in case I decide to burn an actual candle. To complete the project, I added some diamond wrap to the top of the stem as well as to the bottom of the Flower Tealight candle holder, and here was my finished look. How beautiful. And for my mirrored box, I used 5 of these square mirrored candle holders. One of these square boxes that was located in the Mother's Day section of my Dollar Tree. Again, a Flower Tealight candle holder, some black paint, sponge brush, and my E6000. So the first thing I did was paint the top portion of my box as well as the inside and the bottom of the box as well. I didn't worry about the sides of the box because those will be covered by my mirrors. I also removed the sticker and the black tabs from one of my mirrors, and I painted the back of that mirror with the black acrylic paint as well. Once my box dried, I used my E6000 to begin attaching my mirrors to my box. For my last 2 mirrors, I only added the E6000 to the sides of each mirror. That's because these mirrors won't actually make contact with the box. They'll actually be attached to the sides of the first 2 mirrors instead. I then moved that to the side to dry, and then I used my E6000 to attach one of the Flower Tealight candle holders to my 5th mirror. This is the mirror that I painted black on the opposite side. I wanted to show you that these flower candle holders come in red and also in pink, and either color would look really pretty on this mirrored box. I allowed both pieces to dry, and here was my finished look. This project is by far my favorite. Not only can I use the candle holder on top of my box, but the flower candle holder also serves as the knob for my mirrored box as well. So there you have it, guys. 3 very different projects using the same Flower Tealight Candle holder that's now available at Dollar Tree. I think that these projects turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.